Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you how to make these juicy, flavorful, oven baked garlic butter salmon steaks. Crispy, tender, and incredibly delicious. These salmon steaks are packed with mouthwatering flavor and come together in no time. So if you love this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty ideas. So to get this recipe started, I've got about 5 beautiful pieces of salmon steaks, which is already washed and clean. That's what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and prep the seasoning for these salmon steaks. So to get started, I've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the bowl. To the bowl, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Next, we're going to add our all-purpose seasoning, which is going to add a nice color to these salmon steaks and also add lots of flavor. Next, we're going to go in with our Cajun seasoning. Along with our Cajun seasoning, we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we're going to add our Old Bay seasoning, which is one of my favorite. This is going to add lots of flavor as well to this salmon steaks recipe. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now is the perfect time to add our low sodium soy sauce. So make sure you're using low sodium soy sauce for this flavorful oven baked salmon steaks recipe. It's a healthier version, so you can go ahead and add that as well. We're going to go in with a splash of sea salt. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now we are going to mix to combine these flavorful ingredients for 1 full minute. Once the seasonings are fully mixed together and it's fully combined, we're going to get our brush. We're going to coat these beautiful salmon steaks into this beautiful seasoning. So you want to brush the seasoning onto the salmon steaks. Make sure you brush the back of the salmon as well. Now is the perfect time to flip the salmon pieces over to the opposite side. We're going to brush the seasoning onto the salmon steaks. Make sure they're fully coated. Now is the perfect time to get our baking tray ready. So you're going to add small pieces of butter into the baking tray, and then you're going to place the salmon pieces directly on the butter. So the butter is going to keep the salmon pieces from drying out while it's baked. And once we're done, we're going to set this to bake on 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So after baking on 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, this is the final result. This salmon steak came out so beautiful. It was juicy, flavorful, and incredibly delicious. If you guys love this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty ideas. I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.